Hello, fellow financial explorers. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the captivating realm of investment. Investing is not reserved for financial wizards. It's a tool for anyone seeking to grow their wealth strategically. So, grab your metaphorical whiteboard markers as we sketch out the foundational principles of investing that will set you on the path to financial success. Let's kick things off with the first letter, representing asset classes. Investment come in various forms, commonly grouped into asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Each class has its unique characteristics and potential returns. Diversifying your investment across these classes is akin to building a resilient financial portfolio. Moving on to B, risk and reward. The golden rule of investing is that higher return often accompany higher risk. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial. It's like finding the right balance on a seesaw, seeking growth while ensuring your financial stability is compromised. Now, let's explore C. Compounding. Imagine your money working tirelessly, generating not just on your initial investment but also on the accumulated interest. It's a snowball effect that accelerates your wealth over time. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. D stands for diversification. Just as you wouldn't put all your eggs in a one basket, you shouldn't concentrate all your investment in a single asset. Diversification spread risk and maximize potential returns. It's a key to resilient and well-balanced investment strategy. Now, let's delve into E, emergency fund. Before diving into investments, ensure you have a financial safety net in place. An emergency fund, equivalent to 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses, shields you from unforeseen financial challenges and allows you to invest with confidence. F represents financial goals. Your investment strategy should align with your goals, whether it's buying home, funding education, or retiring comfortably. Defining your objectives helps shape your investment plan and provides a roadmap for financial success. And there you have it, the ABCs of investing demystified. If this insight resonates with you, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful journey into the world of finance. Until next exploration, keep sketching those dream financial empowerment. This is a financial whiteboard world.